Hello everyone, welcome to Wimate webinar session. I'm Anderson from the Wimate's marketing team, and our today's topic is exploring the synergy of unmanned systems and GCS in military operations. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the agenda for today's webinar. For our today's session, we'll first discuss about the military technology trends and innovations. We'll then talk about the unmanned systems in military. Moving forward, I'll talk about the GCS, IRS, and the connection between them. Moreover, I'll explain briefly about Wimate GCS key features, and lastly, I'll share a case study. In recent years, we've witnessed a transformation in military technology. The integration of AI, robotics, and the IoT is reshaping the traditional paradigms and optimizing defense operations. It's important to recognize that these advancements are not just isolated elements, but part of a larger framework that enhances military efficiency. One of the key pillars supporting this transition is the role of connectivity solutions in modern military operations. These solutions play a pivotal role in addressing concerns related to adversary detection and location. Advanced communication systems and surveillance technologies contribute to real-time situational awareness, providing our forces with a significant edge on the battlefield. Now, based on the military technology innovation map, the tree map below illustrates the impact of the top 10 military technology trends in 2024. Among these trends, AI is one of the most prominent trends as many nations and companies are increasingly spending more on AI research. According to data from market.us, the global artificial intelligence in military market was valued at $7.9 billion in 2022. Looking ahead, this market is projected to register the highest compound annual growth rate of 12.4%, reaching an estimated value of $24.7 billion by 2032. So what drives this growth? The increasing demand for advanced military equipment steering the AI in the military market. Autonomous weapons, drones, and robots, all powered by AI, are becoming integral components of military arsenals. The market is also influenced by government spending on defense and the increasing popularity of cloud computing, both playing pivotal roles in shaping the future of AI in military operations. Continuing our exploration, let's rewind a bit to understand the roots of these technological advancements. Simple robots initially employed by the military for explosive ordnance disposal or EOD. These robots have generally been remote control operated to protect the human operator against injury or death. Their successful use as well as technological developments led to the introduction of semi-autonomous systems in other military areas such as mine clearing. Over time, more modern and more capable systems have been introduced into the military sector. As we progress through time, the military sector has seen the introduction of increasingly modern and capable of unmanned systems. Most of the unmanned military systems currently deployed are semi-autonomous weapons, systems that require a human in the loop. The human operator remotely controls the system, provides situational assessment, and does the decision making. As of today, fully autonomous systems are still at an early stage of development. Such systems are not only classic robots that carry out tasks according to pre-programmed software, but intelligence machines, devices, or software systems that are able to act independently, learn, solve complex tasks, and can react to unpredictable events. Within the military landscape, these intelligence systems serve diverse functions, including intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. This not only strengthens the military capacity to gather critical information, but also enhances situational awareness on the battlefield. Now, I've mentioned about the unmanned military systems earlier. Let's discuss more about these technologies. Some of the unmanned systems include UAV, UGV, USV, and UUV. Each of these systems has its own distinct applications. For instance, UAVs, commonly known as drones, operate as aerial vehicles, providing reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities, and even executing precision strikes. On the other hand, UGVs are versatile, undertaking tasks such as logistic support or hazardous duties like bomb disposal. Together, these unmanned systems redefine the landscape of military operations, delivering efficiency, minimizing risk to human life, and enhancing overall capabilities. Now, these unmanned systems, they all share a common requirement. They need a ground control station to operate. This ground control station serves as the nerve center, allowing human operators to remotely guide and manage the unmanned systems. It's the hub where decisions are made, ensuring that these sophisticated technologies operate seamlessly. In the GCS systems, operators utilize tools and interfaces to plan mission parameters. This involves tasks like setting waypoints, defining routes, and establishing objectives to ensure a precise and well-coordinated mission execution. The GCS, serving as the central hub of communication, establishing and maintaining links with the unmanned vehicle. This functionality empowers operators to seamlessly send commands, receive real-time data, and monitor the vehicle status. As I mentioned earlier, receiving real-time data is pivotal in mission execution. This includes details such as altitude, speed, location, and other information, enabling operators to make informed decisions based on real-time data to understand the vehicle's dynamic. Lastly, in emergency situations, the GCS serves as a crucial tool, equipping operators with the ability to intervene, take manual control if necessary, or execute predefined safety protocols. In the earlier, I mentioned about the ISR, or Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance. In military applications, the ISR plays a crucial role. It involves the synchronized acquisition, processing, disseminating information, and intelligence. From electronic communications to optical, radar, and infrared imaging, ISR systems tap into a diverse range of channels for collecting information. Overall, the ISR strategy aims to provide information to commanders for decision-making, support military planning by anticipating enemy actions, alert friendly force to threats, and evaluate combat effectiveness. But what exactly does the GCS contribute to ISR missions? The GCS functions as the central hub for mission planning in ISR operations, allowing operators to strategize the trajectory, waypoints, and objectives of unmanned vehicles. Throughout ISR missions, the GCS offers real-time control over unmanned vehicles, empowering operators to dynamically adjust flight paths, camera angles, and other parameters. This real-time monitoring is crucial for ensuring the effective fulfillment of mission objectives. In scenarios involving multiple ISR assets, like a fleet of UAVs conducting surveillance over a large area, the GCS plays a vital role in coordinating these assets. It ensures that various ISR platforms operate in concert, optimizing coverage and maximizing the overall mission's effectiveness. Now that we've talked about the unmanned systems, GCS, and ISR in military operations, let's turn our attention to what Winmate has to offer for our handheld GCS. By utilizing Intel processors, the Wimate GCS features high-performance computing capabilities, making it an ideal choice for military and ISR missions that involve handling substantial data loads. Its compatibility with 4G and 5G networks is a key feature, ensuring seamless connectivity. Winmate Handheld GCS takes convenience to the next level with a design featuring a hot swappable battery. This not only enhances reliability, but also delivers an exceptional flying experience for operators. Winmate Handheld GCS also crafted with durability, adhering to the US defense and military standard, featuring an IP65 rating. At Winmate, we designed and built a complete ground control station that supports various wireless modules, including configurable joysticks, switches, and buttons in a modular design. After talking about the key features, let's take a look for the case study. So based on one of our clients, they're trying to look for advanced GCS tailored to accommodate specialized joysticks and I/O configurations for enhanced control in the field. Finding a GCS solution that provides customized I/O joysticks with a high computing processor can be a challenge. Winmate's expertise in customized design proved pivotal in crafting a GCS tailored to the client's specifications. The GCS features specialized joysticks and I/O configurations, ensuring optimal control in military applications. So why choose Winmate? When it comes to military industry or other industries, one of the key factors to consider is the availability of a wide range of products that are suitable for a variety of applications. Winmate here offers one-stop shop and service to customers, as our R&D, design and manufacture are all under one roof. We also offer customization if our standard design does not meet your requirement. We have an experienced product team management and after-sales support who understand about the technical requirements from customer and communicate effectively to deliver solutions. In customer projects, we always show our ability to overcome different challenges and eliminate concern from the customer. As I mentioned before, Winmate provides not only well-defined and ready-to-use products, but also professional service in customizing products and project management to meet a unique customer needs for various markets. Our products are built to fit in diverse markets, such as industrial automation, military, healthcare, marine, and many more. We also have passed the required certification to ensure the safety and durability of our respective products in those industries. Thank you for joining us today. Should you have any further questions or require additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you and have a great day.